Morning, everybody. Rick here. I am back at the old Arkansas River Bridge. I was here a few weeks ago, and I said that I might come back and venture just a little ways out on the bridge. Well, I thought I would try it this morning. I know I see people out here fishing all the time, and I don't plan on going very far out. But I thought I'd invite you all along, and if you're not real busy this morning, I thought I'd, like I said, just tag along with me. So let's go across this old bridge here. Okay, well, here I am. I crossed over the barricade, and I am actually on the old bridge here. It's just a little bit to the east, west of Arkansas City. It's kind of windy this morning, not real bad. We're just going to take some video here, looking across the Arkansas River. Boy, seems like I just got up here and got windy. We're just going to venture right here just a little ways. I've not ever done this. I've seen people up here fishing, like I said earlier. So I thought, well, maybe I'll just walk out here for a few minutes, see what happens here. There's a pretty good, I don't know if that's concrete or dirt. That's different. There's been people up here, of course, graffiti in different places. Last time I was here, I tried to zoom in on this really unique railing on this old bridge. So I'm going to get a close-up look. This is just really cool. This is how they built bridges back in the day. Isn't that neat? I guarantee you won't find anything like this on any new bridges, not anywhere close. And it doesn't go all the way down. I imagine it did at one time. I thought there might be like some bridges have like some information. But as of yet, I don't see any. And this very ornate concrete railing is, of course, on both sides. We are just about in the middle of the bridge. And then it's on the other side too as well. And of course it does not go all the way down like it used to at one time. But again, very ornate concrete railing. Very nice. Let me kind of get zoomed in here just a little bit. Not zoomed in, but I'll walk up close here to it and let you see the railing that used to be all the way down both sides of this old bridge. I tell you what, it did not get windy till I walked up on this bridge. No lie. That is crazy. Of course, now I am just about in the middle of this bridge. about going all the way down, and then turn around and just go back. Like I say, I've seen people up here fishing over the years. Okay, there's evidence of a Zebco fishing rod. Might have been at one time, might be packaging anyway. Okay, well, yeah, like I said, I've seen, over the years, I've seen from a distance. I did not, however, know how to get down here until just recently. And it's very easy to find. I guess while I'm up here, I might as well go all the way across. I'm trying to avoid all the graffiti because, as usual, it's not very nice at all. It was cloudy this morning. It looked like it might have rained a little bit this morning. I mean, it wasn't real bad. It was just looked like it might sprinkle just a little bit. And while I'm up here, I'm going to just go broken all the way across. That's crazy. Look at that driftwood. Look at all that driftwood. Wow, that is crazy. Okay. This ornate concrete railing again. Okay, well, get to the other side. There's just where I came from, right over there. So now I'll go right back. There must be a way that people get here on this side. There must be like some way to get down here. There's a tree across the road up there though. Maybe they don't. Maybe they just walk down this side. I'm not real sure. But there's definitely a tree across the road. Okay. Maybe they do. Maybe they just park on the other side and walk down here. This is their favorite spot to fish or something. Okay, well, we're going to go on back. I've wanted to do this for a long time. kind of noise. Let's look out across here again. I bet there's been a lot of parties down here over the years. Some dogs really barking down there. Probably barking at people walking down that there's Veterans Lake Trail just right over there. I know I've profiled it a few times on my videos. I would expect all this wind this morning. We had some really high winds just a few days ago. They said it reached up to between 50 and 60 miles an hour here just a few days ago. It's probably 20 or 30 miles an hour right now, unless it dies down a little bit. Oh, there wasn't a gunshot. From somewhere. Huh. Alright, well, there you have it, the old Arkansas River Bridge. Here, just on the very outskirts of Ark City. Hope you all enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and share if you so wish. It's Friday, so hope you have a nice, wonderful weekend. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.